This is Eitipok wireless mono headset. It's basically a Bluetooth headset made for truckers and not only. Why? Let's open the box and find out. So first let's take a look at the manuals. What's interesting about this device is that it comes with this dongle that you can connect to your PC or your gaming console, like your PlayStation. And this way you can have a Bluetooth connection, meaning no wires, through your console or your gaming controller. So let's look at what else do we have inside the box. The micro USB cable. This is the USB dongle, and this is the headset itself. Firstly, going over the micro USB cable, many people would like to see a USB Type-C because it's reversible and it's much easier to connect. But I would suggest getting another cable like this, which is a magnetic cable, which has a micro USB or Type-C right here. Where's the focus? Where it's a Type-C cable, and you could detach this and connect it to your micro USB port right here. So when you're driving and you suddenly run out of the battery and you need to charge, you just bring this cable close to here and it connects magnetically, and it's very easy to charge. This way you don't have to worry about taking your eyes off the road. The headset itself feels very nice and light, since it doesn't have any big foam parts around here. It's just a thick wire that hopefully doesn't dig too much inside your head. The mic boom makes these clicky noises when it goes down, so you can fix it in a position that you like. The buttons, starting with the mic button, are very nice and clicky. The memory foam around your ear goes over the edges like this. It's very nice and soft as well. This looks like it's I'm not sure if it's genuine leather, but it's very soft. Will be good over your ear, and you have some soft foam around the other side that hopefully doesn't dig too much inside your head as well. So let's give this a test, and we'll be right back. So I'm back after some extensive research, and here's what I have to say about this headset. First of all, it's very light and you barely notice it on your head, since most of us got used to the bigger headset that have two ear cups on both sides like the stereo. This one, all of the weight is just basically on this side, and this foamy part right here, it does the job good and it doesn't dig up too much in your head. Second of all, it's very convenient to have this mic clicking in a specific spot that it goes, and you can turn it on both sides if you want to use it on the left ear or the right ear. The microphone mute right here is very convenient, and the one that you answer calls also it's like in the best spot here. You know where it is. It fits on the left ear or the right ear, just like right here where is the connection with the mic boom. And the plus and minus buttons there like is accessible as well. Second of all, I noticed that the Bluetooth flag compared with other devices, it's much better. Like when you're listening to music or when you're talking to somebody, it's right there like you would have used a cable connection. And the Bluetooth range is pretty good as well. I got about 200 feet, and that's just good enough to go around the truck and trailer if you use it for that. If you use it for office, like you have clicky noises around from the keyboard or any other noise, like a background noise, this has a very good noise cancelling option, and you will only hear the voice, which is pretty loud and clear. Connectivity wise, I did connect it to a PC and a Chromebook with this dongle, and it works pretty good. The sad part, it didn't want to work with the PlayStation 5. I don't know why it doesn't pick on the microphone or on the headset with this dongle. So maybe they will update the software later and it will work, but nothing as of right now. Okay, so at the end of the day, we have a very neat device, which like many other brands try to penetrate the market of noise cancelling headphones, which are dominated by very few brands, by the way. Yes, they have a few missing features like audio jack, micro USB instead of USB Type-C, and there's no foam on the mic boom. But all of these issues, they can be solved easily, like you noticed with the magnetic connection and the audio cable. Most of the people don't use it nowadays. If the battery dies, you just charge it really quick. And the foam on the mic boom, it doesn't last that long anyways. And if they have a decent noise cancelling software, then you will need that in the first place. Otherwise, they did the right call, get it, on choosing all of the features that it needs to have, like the button to mute the mic, the USB cable, and the USB dongle. They keep it bare bones to a minimum, like there's nothing fancy here, but it just works. It does the job like it's supposed to, and that's what keeps the price down, which makes us all happy. And that's it for my review. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments, and have a good one.